Yeah, so straight up, is college worth it? My answer, yeah. But you probably like, wait, why does he say that? 'Cause that's not what most people on YouTube say. But we're gonna get into why I say yes. And we also are going to discuss the reasons why it may not be. So we're gonna keep it real on this video. We're gonna discuss both sides, and by the end of it, you should have your own perspective. Especially shout out all the graduating seniors. One of my youngin, my little youngin, my cuz, he graduating right now. Well, this year. Shout out to him. Actually, today later on, he going to prom. So enough about that. Is college worth it? Let's get into it. All right, so a little bit about me. I feel as though the reason why I can answer this question better than most is it took me 8 years to graduate. It took me a long time. I went to school right out of high school. Then I didn't do too well just because I wasn't focused on the work like I should have been. Dropped out for maybe like a semester. Went to community college for a few years. Then I went to university, got my degree. And I was thankful to do it the right way once I went back to university the second time, which I can make a video on how to do college the right way. But going through that process and that path, the people I met along the way are some of the network people that are some of the individuals from my network that mean a lot to me. So I would definitely say if you're looking to network, if you're looking to get a career, like a day job that pays six figures or however much you may be looking for, college is probably the streamlined path, the safest ways to do it. Go to university, get a degree in something that actually is a high paying field. I recommend IT. I recommend STEM. I recommend coding, the tech field. Yes, that's what I would recommend. And then from there, just try your hardest. Like, have fun. It's college for sure, but make sure you're treating your homework, tests, projects, schoolwork like an actual job. And when you need money, you gotta hustle. That's what those 4 years in college is about. And trust me, if you go hard for those 4 years while you're in school, you get summer breaks, you get winter breaks. If you're going hard during those 16 weeks, and you can take breaks during those 16 weeks, but don't take breaks too long. But if you're going hard during those semesters, the summer and the winter, you work. It takes 4 years. But what you gotta do while you in school, this is the glitch, the cheat code, the hack. You have to be going and networking. You have to be talking to not only your students, but your teachers. Become friends with your teachers. Yes, you're at that point where you should be talking to your teachers. You should be getting to know them. If they have office hours, go to them. If you have networks and organizations to join, I recommend joining the service-based organizations first when you first get there. So they go do community outreach things. They're a great way to be social and get to network with people. Then you also should be joining the career fairs and getting in with the career, whatever they have, the career office. You should be in there getting in with them folks. You should be meeting with a counselor. You should be good with them as far as face to face, and try to find an internship. Your first goal is an internship. You do all that, college is worth it because you're going to meet great people. You're going to intern and make good money, and you're going to have a good job set up for you when you come out. And then you can do all the stuff that people say you don't have to go to college for, but have a decent day job. So that's why I think college is worth it. Why people say it's not are things that you can do while you're in college, but that you might not be able to give it your full focus, which is okay. Like, it's okay. The whole, if you're not first to it, you won't be successful, isn't always true. Not, there's always competitors in markets, and there's always, we won't say imitations, but people who innovate and people who create based upon the things they see. So is college worth it? It's up to you and your goals. If you know you got something in mind that you want to be, that you don't have to go to college for, just put that time in, put that work in. And if you like me and you graduated late or you behind on school, go back. Like I went back. I didn't graduate until I was again mid-20s. So it's cool. Shout out to Hoodie, Current Frost, Know Your Rights Camp. I got it when it came out. If y'all know this hoodie, it's pretty cool. But that's it for this video. Go to college. It can get you cool clothes. Or don't go and just work really hard and know how you want to make money. Which I think I should make videos about. I just want to get on here and talk about things I know. And that's one of them. I'm going to do more on college how-tos though and how to finesse that. Because again, it's about that season. So let me know what y'all think down below. Was college worth it for you? Is college worth it? What would you recommend to a graduating senior right now? And if you in that range, what questions y'all got? So yeah, pin, comment, get surprised. What that is, I don't know. Maybe it's just a like. Maybe it's a Cash App. Who knows? I'm feeling like we gotta get the charity, not the charity up on this channel, but the incentives up on this channel. So yeah, if you make a comment and I like it, I might send you a Cash App. Go.